Hello and welcome to the final episode about Golf MK2 GTD. It took some time to complete it. As you can see, I grow a beard. So let me show you how it looks like now after 3 years of work. So let me just quickly show the car around. As you can see, now the color is different. Initially it was Montana green. Now it's polar silver, which is not silver, but I choose this color because I saw on the internet one Golf this color, and then I knew that okay, this is the right color which I want to have. So let's see this angle as well. So what I was trying to achieve is to have the, let's say, most original look if possible. Yeah, I added some things like this red GTD badge, but other than that I really try to keep it original, and that's the reason why I choose actually these wheels, which are 13-inch wheels. Actually, I got these wheels together with this car, with the green one in Mark III. And when I looked on these wheels and the middle caps, I was like, okay, that's something which would look nice on the Mark II. So I refurbished these wheels, as you can see, yeah, this new silver color for wheels. And then I bought these middle caps. I think it cost like 10 euros for all four of them. So yeah, pretty good price. And yeah, overall, I think it fits nicely. I have there some wheel spacers. So when you look the car from this angle, the wheels are not say that much inside of the wheel arch. So yeah, I would say this is fine. Yeah, initially, actually, I wanted to use wheels from my other Golf, which are BBS RM. But yeah, then I decided that I will do the classic look, so I use these 30-inch wheels. Other than that, yeah, I I went with the classic small bumper in the front and in the back as well. Initially, it has the big bumpers, but yeah, I wanted to have, let's say, a twin to the other Golf, and I used the black badge in the back because I think it looks better with this color combination. Actually, I have the black badge on the other Golf as well, but yeah, I think it just fits here. But this one has this small spoiler, which was already there, and yeah, I wanted to remove it, but actually it has 3 holes in the glass, so yeah, I didn't want it to change the glass, so I left it there. These ones are the original because I was not able to find any other one which will be in a good shape, and yeah, I just changed the clips which are underneath. The front windows actually new because I broke the last one or the previous one. Yeah, and other than that, I think it's standard stuff. So let's check the inside. Boost gauge, which yeah doesn't work actually, but yeah, it's there, and I will just leave it. And yeah, with the seats are the original ones. It would be nice to have still some love. So interior, I try to keep it quite standard. I just changed the steering wheel because I have the same type on the other Golf, so I wanted to have this type here, and the original one was actually broken here, so yeah, makes sense to change it. Other than that, pretty standard. I just changed the uh, radio head unit with some, I think it's from AliExpress, I don't know, RS20, but it's look like retro and it fits this car, so I use it. It has all these features, USB Yeah. And what else I changed? Oh yeah, I changed this around the gear selector, so it has now this fake leather. Uh, Initially it has this, I don't know, plastic, not good looking stuff. Yeah, and other than that, yeah, maybe this one I just use here a small, and seats are the original ones. I just, yeah, my mother helped me to patch this part because it was, let's say, naked. But I wanted to keep the original seats here. Rear seats, they are in quite good shape. And door panels are as well original ones. And I just changed these covers, which are now covers for speakers. Initially or originally, there was a box, a small box for, I don't know, something which is small. And I changed also these pins for the doors, so they will close better, and there will be no wiggling. And I yeah, ordered this original stamp for the service, the oil maintenance, which I didn't feel yet. And now we can take a look on the inside the trunk, where you will find actually nothing. That's just how the trunk looks. Also underneath there is just a spare wheel, and that's it. Yeah, and I changed these hanging helpers because they were ruined, the original. And now we can take a look inside or under the bonnet. So actually here under the bonnet I use some silencing material that's, I think, from AliExpress for 20 euros, but it looks much nicer than nothing. It's fine. I bought some covers here. It's covered in that part, and other than that, I tried, as I mentioned like a million times in this video already, I tried to keep the original look. Yeah, I see that I need to add some water there, but that's normal because I was actually changing the radiator as well. So yeah, I changed the water and I need to fill it now. Yeah, I use some original stickers, so it will look nicer. The alternator as well. Here, the engine, the cover. So that's it. The Golf is done. And what will be better? How to end this series just with the nice sound of this old diesel.